Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Info Elias. Today I am going to show you a new PowerShell script related videos where I will just do the lab environment, and this PowerShell script will really helpful for all the IT administrators who just want to export the specific attribute values for all AD users. Like suppose someone wants to export SAM account name or email addresses for all AD users, so you can use this PowerShell script. You can customize it as per your requirements. So let's start. I'm going to show you into PowerShell IC tool, and we'll open this PowerShell script. I just given the name like export SAM account name because I just want to export the SAM account name property of web property values for all AD users. So this is the PowerShell script. Here what I'm going to do, I'm just using a variable $output CSV path, and this variable contains the location where I'm going to exporting this value with the name. File name is samAccountName and underscore mail like .csv. If you want to change it, so you can change the samAccountName, the file name, as per your requirement. Now in the next variable I'm using, that is $users. Here I'm just executing a Active Directory PowerShell command. This will just filter the AD user properties SAM account name, and this is the attribute. Next I'm using this $users because this is just containing all users with their SAM account name from this command. Next I'm using select object SAM account name. I'm just selecting the SAM account name values from this $users from here, and this is a pipeline, so multiple command can be executed in a single line. So this SAM account name will be exported by using this export CSV command and the path where this will just export the result. So this is the location output CSV path. Next this will just write the like a result, like I just given export completed, SAM account name exported to output CSV path. Now suppose you just want to export the SAM account name as well as email address, so you can use this mail. This is the attribute for email address of user property, comma over here, and you want to modify the right host message over here, so you can also change it like this. So now this will just export not only the SAM account name, but also this will export the email address of the user attribute. So now I'm going to execute it, so this will give the result over here. I will go on the path where I just exported this file, C colon like samAccountName.csv. This is the path. I will go into the C drive. Now you can see this this file has just generated by this PowerShell script, and this contains the all AD users SAM account name as well as their email addresses. In case if email address is blank, so this will give the blank result for the mail, and similarly you just can cross check this attributes result over here by this CSV path. I'm going to open the Active Directory and I will show you if the attribute exists for these users. I'm going to show you this is the email address for this user and the SAM account name. You want to check the SAM account name for the user, so you need to just select the advanced features in your Active Directory users and computers, and then you can go on the user property and then attribute editor and select the SAM account name. So test.user2 is the SAM account name for this test.2 user in your Active Directory. Similarly, you can just cross check other users attribute as well by clicking on this and then go on the attribute editor. So you just want to enable the attribute editor, so you need to simply select the advanced features in your Active Directory users and snap in only, then you can see the attribute editor properties for any users or any objects in your Active Directory. Thank you for watching this video.